Hey there, tech lovers. Today, I'll guide you through the fascinating world of blockchain development, focusing on building decentralized applications or dApps and smart contracts. Ready? Let's dive in. First off, what makes blockchain so revolutionary? It's all about decentralization. Unlike traditional systems, blockchain operates on a peer-to-peer network. No central authority means more transparency and less risk of centralized failure. Cool, right? Now, let's talk security. Blockchain uses cryptographic techniques to secure transactions. This makes it highly resistant to fraud and hacking. Plus, once data is recorded on the blockchain, it's immutable. This means it can't be altered, ensuring data integrity and trustworthiness. Transparency is another huge benefit. All transactions are recorded on a public ledger. This provides complete transparency and traceability. Imagine how much simpler and reliable auditing becomes with transparent records. Next up, smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts with the terms written directly into code. They automate and enforce agreements without intermediaries. This streamlines processes, saving time and costs. Efficiency at its best. Ever heard of tokenization? Blockchain enables the creation of digital tokens representing assets, rights, or access. These tokens can be traded and managed efficiently. It even allows for fractional ownership of high-value assets, making them more accessible. Now, interoperability. This involves developing protocols and technologies that allow different blockchain networks to interact seamlessly. It also enhances integration with existing systems and other emerging technologies. And then there's DeFi, or decentralized finance. This involves developing decentralized financial applications that provide services like lending, borrowing, and trading without intermediaries. DeFi is paving the way for new financial models and expanding access to financial services globally. Let's not forget industry applications. In supply chain management, blockchain improves tracking and transparency, reducing fraud and inefficiencies. In healthcare, it enables secure and private sharing of patient data. And in real estate, it simplifies property transactions and increases transparency in ownership records. Finally, the community and ecosystem. There's a thriving community of developers contributing to open-source blockchain projects, fostering innovation and collaboration. The ecosystem is rapidly growing, with increasing adoption across various industries and sectors. Blockchain development is continuously evolving, offering new opportunities and solutions across different fields. It's an exciting and dynamic area of technology, and I can't wait to see where it goes next. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Smart Start tutorials. Until next time, stay curious.